Hey, what's up everybody? Dan here, TechFit360, and I'm excited for you. Why? Because you have the chance to win some amazing tech products. A few buddies and I decided to do an Amazon $100 tech challenge. Basically, we could only spend $100 on Amazon and see who came out with the best product or products. I went with the Logitech MX Master 2S. I think this is one of the best computer mouses that money can buy. Not only does it look good, not only does it feel good, but you can also use it in either your Windows or Mac OS environment. It has this special feature called Logitech Flow, which allows you to sync this with 3 computers and also copy and paste files between them as well. I use it here at my editing station and I've grown to love this mouse, and I know you will too. Entering the contest is simple. I'll leave all the links in my description. But what I want you to do is head on over to the Kaiser Reveal YouTube channel. Don't even be concerned with my buddies bought for $100. Make sure you hashtag TechFit360. Thanks for watching, everybody. Good luck to you all. Now I have to get back to finish filming my movie. I'll see you in my very next video.